Hey Steve, I touched base with you yesterday. My name is Lee Terabienek. I was doing some research in your area, came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and become more interested on how I can help your business grow, just give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, just take the tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. So the 3 major things that I want to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. Now, as you can see here on the screen, as I bring this down, this is pulling up not secure. It's not even letting me view your website at the moment, and that's due to bad SSL through your hosting. I'm not sure who you're hosted with, but you're going to want to contact them and say that your SSL certificate needs to be renewed, and that's urgent because I don't think you can get any clients at the moment due to that. But so I can't really look at your homepage to see what kind of content you had, but I just did a quick search and I'm going to take your name out of this, just as acting as if I was a normal client looking for home remodeling in Jacksonville. And as you can see, you do not pop up in this top 3. Smarter Remodeling, Galaxy, and Pisky does. And also, you guys are not ranking in this organic section down here. So, but B Tree Homes is ranking down here organically. So I wanted to see what kind of content they had. As we look at their website, nice website, beautiful pictures. They do have content. So Google likes to see around 1,500 words of content on a homepage. And they specifically are crawling this homepage looking for keywords. Now, as you can see, they have great headings. They have some content. Maybe, looks like they have about 400 words on this homepage. So if we were to go out and get that 1,500 words and place these important keywords throughout, which I'm going to get to shortly, you'd easily beat them in that aspect. But this is like your normal site just with a bunch of pictures, which you also want to save your pictures as keywords too. But we're going to touch base on them shortly. Let's go back to this general search here. And let's touch base on this Google My Business or Google Map Pack. And you're probably wondering, hey Lee, how do I get up in this top 3 for when these people are looking for home remodeling that I pop up? Well, Google dictates your rankings based on your citation sources. Now, a citation is your name, your business name, the address, and phone number listed in directories across the web in like the yellow pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook's even one of them, YouTube, BBB. The more you have, the more places your business name is. Google represents that as you guys being trustworthy, not just Joe Schmo with one GMB listing and doesn't have any verification anywhere. So I wanted to see how many Smarter Remodeling has. So I have this local citation finder, and I plugged in Smarter Remodeling search, and they have 31 at the moment to claim that top spot. And as you can see, they do have some powerful ones, Facebook, Bing, Yelp, BBB, Zillow, MapQuest, Yellow Pages. All these are submittable too, so we can go and grab these for your business. So I'd like to go and add 100 to 200 to your business listing, get you up in this top 3 map hack, and you'll see a big change in traffic coming to your guys' website and phone calls coming in. Now, this bottom section, this is the organic section, and this deals directly with your website. So I have another tool I use called Ahrefs, and this is going to show me a basic overview of your site and the back-end stats of it. So I typed in ABBA Property Solutions LLC, and it's showing me you have a UR and a DR of 17 and 9. Now, this goes up to 100 being the strongest. So 17 and 9 isn't bad, but it's not the strongest. What dictates your ranking here is backlinks. Now, a backlink is when one website links back to your website. So you want relevant backlinks linking back to you from other services or businesses or blogs that are relatable to what you guys are offering. If Pizza Hut were to give you a backlink, it's not going to be as strong as another home renovation company or an insurance company giving you a guy's backlink. Google loves backlinks because if one company is willing to send its traffic from its website to your site, then you must be reliable, you must be legit. So the more, the better. Now, as we go back, let's see, you have 68 backlinks coming from 32 websites. And the only ones that transfer any power are these do follow links right here. So you have 24 of those. So let's go look at your competition. B Tree Homes. They have a 28 and a 12, a little bit stronger than you, but not far out. But they have almost 2,000 backlinks coming from 244 websites. Now, even though this number looks scary, it's not. This 12 represents how strong their backlink profile is. So even though they have all these, it's just like those citations. You want relevant backlinks, because if you could have 10,000 backlinks, but if they're spammy or weak, have nothing to do with your business, they're going to hurt you more than help you. And they have 208 that are transferring power, but they're not really powerful because this number's so low. This number would be up into the 30s, 40s, 50s with these type of backlinks. So that's going to tell me they're very easy to beat. But I want to look, you guys must not have content because you're not ranking for any keywords. So when someone types home remodeling, you're not going to pop up. Google is not recognizing you for anything. So therefore, it's very tough to get organic traffic. Now, as you can see, they're ranking for 182 keywords, and they're getting about 147 traffic just to their website monthly. So let's go and look and see what kind of keywords are out there that we could focus on and get some content built and put into your website. So let's see. Home remodeling. Now, this is going to show me the keyword, how many times it's being searched monthly, how hard it is to rank for it, that's the keyword difficulty, and the traffic they're getting and position that they're in. So this volume is how many times it's being searched monthly. So home remodeling, Jacksonville, Florida. We know that's a buyer intent keyword. That's 150 searches a month. That's 150 people looking for home remodeling in Jacksonville each month. They're in the second position. They're getting 22 traffic from it. So that's 22 jobs, home remodeling jobs that you could be getting by beating them out. We know we could beat them out, but that's 150 total searches. Bathroom remodel, Jacksonville, Florida. 500 searches a month. That's 500 people looking for bathroom remodel each and every month. And it's a low KD. That's what we look for, high volume, low KD, because that means there's not too many people with this keyword trying to battle it out. Kitchen remodeling, 500 searches. Remodeling contractor, Jacksonville, 200 searches. Remodeling Jacksonville, Florida, 70 searches. And the list goes on. A quick example of a site we built. This was for a plumber out in Woodland Hills. We did extensive keyword research, a full website built, contact form so clients can enter their information, boom, gets sent directly to your email. But this is the big thing. This was a huge keyword for him, plumber, Woodland Hills. So you want that in a heading. You want that in your content. Here we go again. Look, Woodland Hills plumber. And then in the content, Woodland Hills plumber. Woodland Hills plumbers. You want all variations because people might type it different. Plumber Woodland Hills. So now when someone is typing looking for a plumber, Google recognizes it in your content. Google recognizes it in your headings, your H1 and H2 headings, and boom, they get linked to you. Now if you add if you're adding SEO, backlinks to your website, as you can see you haven't done any of the SEO, but this company has, and that's why they're ranking up at the top as of this point. And as we know, we can beat them out. So anyways, let's touch base on what we talked about. The first thing was content. Your homepage needs at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. Second thing was citations, your name, address, and phone number. I suggest getting 100, 200 of these, beat these guys out by a landslide. Also, it's going to get your name in more directories across your area so people can find you when they're looking for any of the services you offer. And the third thing we talked about was backlinks or link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at your business to show Google that your business is the authority. So if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do it on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself time, just give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee and my phone number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Steve. Feel free to reach out whenever. You can email me back and we can set up a time to talk. Thanks for watching.